If you have a headlight bulb out, or you simply want to upgrade your headlights in your 2005 to 2015 Nissan Xterra, I'm going to show you step by step in this video to how to get it done. I want to be upgrading these to the Sylvania Ultra bulbs. Now these are brighter than factory, but they're not too bright that oncoming traffic is going to flash their brights at you. If you buy those new bulbs off Amazon that are 5500K plus that have cooling fans, yes, they're going to be extremely bright, but oncoming traffic is going to be flashing their brights at you every car that passes by. So I suggest you stick with these. These are going to last a long time, be brighter than factory, and you should be happy with them. So let's get started. Come inside on the driver's side and pop the hood. Then you're going to want to secure your prop rod to your hood. We're on the driver's side. Right here to the left is the airbox. Right here is the wire harness for the headlight. You'll see this top band kind of piece. It's about 1/4 inch wide. That's what we need to push down so that we can disengage the wire harness. So what I like to do is get a hold of the back side like this, and then you're going to push this band down. You can push it down with your fingers if you want, but a flat blade screwdriver works the best. You see how it flexes? We're going to push it down, and then I'm going to pull towards the back of the vehicle. I'm pushing down, and I'm going to pull, and then the wire harness comes right off. And then right here is actually the headlight. Move the headlight bulb. You see this ring right here? It's got some protrusions around it. We need to remove that ring. So all you got to do is turn it left or counterclockwise and pull this ring off. There's nothing really holding this light bulb in other than the O-ring. So you don't turn it. All you do is pull straight back. You can wiggle it, but you don't need to turn it left or right. It's held in by an O-ring, and it kind of creates a little bit of a vacuum. So you kind of got to pull straight back. You can kind of wiggle at the same time, and then pull out the headlight. To install the new bulb, you want to make sure you wear latex gloves. You don't want to touch the bulb with your fingers. No matter how many times you wash your hands, you'll still get a fingerprint or a little bit of oil on the bulb. That will create a hot spot, and then it will cause your bulb to burn out prematurely. So you just get the headlight kind of lined up in there. You want to make sure this tab here is on top, and then just kind of push in, and you'll kind of feel it kind of almost suck into place. That's what that O-ring does. It kind of seals it in place, and as you push it, you'll kind of feel it suck in. And now we need to put that ring back on. We're going to take that ring, put that on there, and then I hold it with 2 fingers and then rotate it to the right until it stops turning, and that's what's going to lock it in place. Reinstall the wire harness. All we're going to do is get that lined up and then push forward. You'll hear it snap into place. Now the driver's side is done. Lights are changed, and this vehicle is ready to hit the road. Close up the hood and head out on the highway and see how good these look at night. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.